Today, I'm doing a video review of Dot Connector by Ellie's Games. Okay, Colton, come on. Colton's going to help me.
I'm ready.
Okay. Get on here, you pick a category, and as you can see, it shows the numbers, and as they touch, it draws. Does it talk? No. I don't know if it has the option of being able to actually say the numbers as you touch them. That would be really nice if it did. I'll have to look in the settings. That would make it... Colton, I can't see the iPad when you do that.
Hi, Mom.
But there's different categories you can choose from. Sport. What's he building there? We'll go back and show him all the categories.
Oh, yeah.
The giraffe, or he's must be on animals. Okay, let's see. They're in a rare mood tonight. Hey, 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 Colton, no. Do it nice.
How can you do that? Yeah, that brother's nice.
No, be nice. Be nice. You have to be nice or you can't touch the iPad. Touch each button. Touch each dot and it'll build the picture, and then it'll show you what you're building. Elephant. Okay. Let me see how we go back to the... Okay, back to the main menu. And we'll show you there's animals, boats, cars, flowers, planes, and sports. I don't know if there's an option to go back to the main menu. Is there? I don't see one. You gonna play like a nice boy now?
Yeah!
You did it! What is that?
Yeah.
Ship. You gonna do another one? You did the ship. Now number 4.
So cool. So cool.
Okay. Let's go back and let's see. How about we do a flower? Go ahead. Jared wants to help me. Okay, go ahead, Jared. Even the big kids like it, huh, Jared?
Yes.
So we've got Jared and Colton. Whoa, look how beautiful. Okay, what are we going to do next? Colton, you're just in a rare bad mood tonight, being a stinker. Okay, so they're fighting over who gets to play, so... Oh, I didn't... You can drag your finger along. Nice find, Jared. So you can just drag your finger along the numbers. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, we're gonna have to speed it up before he gets too upset. Okay, let's go back and see. Let's go back here. Okay, let Colton do one. Let Colton do one. How about we do sports? Okay, go ahead, Colton. Let Colton do one, and then you can share.